The advanced children at this point would be those who know already the multiplication tables. And for the following activities, it would also be good if they understand numbers until 1000. We will begin to multiply larger numbers, but we will not yet do it with the written procedure of long multiplication. We will do it first with the questionnaire rods and then mentally, when the children can create a mental image of the quantities we multiply. Here I have 60. This is by itself a multiplication. But we will multiply this product by 3. How much do we have now? We observe this rectangle in front and see that there are 18 tens, because 3 times 6 is 18. If the children have some understanding of tens and the decimal system, they will know that we don't need any complicated calculations in order to know how much is 18 times 10. We can just write a 0 at the end. Do some more examples of this kind. Then you can explain what is happening here mathematically. We decompose 60 into 6 by 10 and we apply the associative law. Then we can proceed to reading and writing these operations, and finally do them without the rods. If you wish, you can also do some multiplications with hundreds, at least such ones that do not exceed 1000. 400 times 2, 3 times 200, 300 times 3. The associative law has some other useful applications. For example, we want to multiply 3 times 18. It is not very probable that the children know the 3's table until 3 times 18. But 18 is also the product of a multiplication. We can decompose it, for example, into 2 times 9. So we make 2 parts of 9. We can rearrange these 2 parts and we get a new rectangle. This new rectangle corresponds to a new multiplication, where we associate first the 3 with the 2. But this is now a multiplication we know from our tables. Let's do another example. We multiply 5 times 26. 26 is an even number. We can decompose it into 2 times 13. The new multiplication is 10 times 13. Multiplying by 10 is easy. This is 130. If the children know also the 12's table, we have even more possibilities. For example, 4 times 27. 27 is 3 times 9. So we have 12 times 9. This is 108. A last example. We want to multiply 4 times 35. 35 is 5 times 7. So we make 5 parts. Now we have already learned to multiply tens, so we can see easily that this is 140. Find by yourselves some other similar examples. Many multiplications can be transformed into simpler ones using the associative law.